I'd been at least a good 3-4 years in pain. I was born and raised in Baltimore, lived here all my life. I now live in Dundalk, and I've lived in Dundalk for a great number of years. I live with my wife and my mother-in-law. I like sports, the Orioles and the Ravens. We decided that at that point I should consider knee surgery on the left knee. Was I scared? Yes. I will tell you, I was very scared. Again, you hear all kind of things, you read all kind of things, you see all kind of things, and I let that kind of delay my decision. I went in and saw Dr. Kanuja, and he kind of confirmed what Dr. Levy said. And what he indicated was that I did have arthritis, and that both my knees, the left one primarily, was an issue. At that point, I think I decided, well, you know what, I need to do something. I came out of surgery, and when I saw the physical therapist, it was interesting because he said, well, we're going to have you walking tonight, which is the same night. And I thought, oh boy, well, now what am I going to do? How am I going to handle this? And I looked at him and I said, I'm really going to do this. He said, yes, you will. I was down for approximately 6 weeks. I went back to work on June the 12th, and I was amazed at what flexibility I had, because now I could actually walk up the steps. My left knee was replaced, and I guess the experience of having the left knee done was really what helped me with the right knee. I will tell you, it's made me feel like a new man. Now I have a matching pair of knees and a matching pair of legs that allows me to do something I couldn't do just a couple years ago. But I let it last for time after time after time, thinking it was going to get better. After being able to go back to Camden Yards, see the O's play, I enjoy life a lot better now because I can get around in that stadium. It's given me back that part of my life that I didn't have. And you don't realize at that point that you don't have it until you can do it again. And I would recommend anybody that's going to have it done, don't wait, do it.